How to fix Snapchat My Eyes Only Not Loading. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Play Store and then make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat. Search for Snapchat and then if there is an update button instead of this open button, simply tap on it and get the latest version. After that, tap and hold Snapchat application and then tap on App Info. Then go to Storage and then tap on Clear Cache. The last step, but the very important step, is that make sure you enter your code or your PIN in your My Eyes correctly. If not, that could be a problem. You will lose all your data and you will not be able to see your snaps on your My Eyes section ever again. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.